Hi guys, very good morning to one and all. This is Trading Twilight and I am Ankita Agnihotri, and here we has opened as a gap up and it has took up beautiful support and 2550 where like 25,000 itself is a like max pain. Right now max pain has quickly changed in a 1 hour. Firstly it will be going to shift 25,015 then 25,100, so which is showing to us like buy on dip is favorable at this particular situation. So don't going on the short side, like it makes you on a risk. So don't take risk in the selling side. I think the market is ready to give a upside somewhere around 25,250 will be at the closing bell. So in this kind of market, what you have to do, you have to find a support. So supports are 25,050 and 25,080 itself. It has given a breakout and now it's going for a retracement, and now simply it's going for the upside. So trail your stop loss and go for the 25,000 firstly 125. This would be your target, and then you can take 25,150 would be the second target, and then 25,200 and 250. It's possible, but it will be looking for a buyable dip. So you have to find the support and just where it's going to take rejection and giving you a dip. So you in this dip you need to take a position at the buy on dip only, and don't make sale on rise at this particular bullish market, because in bullish market resistance never used to work. So if you are going on the selling side, so you must be trapped. And like last 2 days and market has done nothing, but you have trapped and the premiums is melting like anything. So it's better we are going to take our position like with the market, with the trend. So trend is positive. So this is my particular analysis, that going on the trend and be with the trend, so you will be make end up with a profit. That makes a sense at this particular resistance, that where resistance is not working and at the same time support is working. So we are looking for the opportunity where it will be going to took again a support at these support, which is 25,050 or 64. So we will be again looking for the buying opportunity. And if you look for opportunity in buying nifty, so buying nifty is more precisely is ready to give a upside somewhere around 55,000. It's possible. So we are looking for this opportunity in bank nifty itself. So you can make a buy on dip. Till then it is above 54,550. And one more thing I have to share with you guys, like bank nifty and nifty futures is sustaining above on the upside, whereas like 25,170 it has given a close and now it's taking a retracement. So this would be a remarkable job if you are trailing your stop loss at here at this particular place and going for the slowly and steadily for the upside. So you will be end up with a profit, that is for sure. So do your own analysis before taking any trade and go with the trend. So you will be making a profit definitely. And this is a disclaimer, all contents are for education purpose. So if you are making any buy and sale as per my analysis, so consult to your financial advisor first. And this is a trend line which I have marked at in nifty from the day low, so where it took a particular support at this particular trend line. So one trade is still activated at here, so which is we have a very small target which is 25,125. It's possible. So I'm just making this video, maybe the target will be going to done and dusted. So in this way you can make your position as per the risk appetite. So maybe 25,250 I'll just make a particular resistance where it will be going to reject. So I think by the end of the day we will be seeing 25,250. This would be possible. So if you are holding any position for positional basis, so you will be come up with a profit for a like very low risk and high probability, and it has took a consolidation at particular 25,000 below, so which is again a very positive sign for the market, and it has opened as a gap up like very 60-30 point, and now it's took a support from that particular gap up, and it's not ready to move on the selling side. If you check the candles, so yesterday as well it has took a particular support at these resistance level, and it has give a recovery, not going on the selling side. So if you are making any positions as per your risk appetite and your low risk and high award, so you will be going for the only buy on dip. That will be particularly at this situation a good scenario. So we have seen a beautiful recovery from the upside, and it will be I think will be going to continue, because we have seen a follow up with the candles. Like if it has opened on Monday as a gap up, and follow up candles are coming by today itself, so which is again positive for our market. So I am not looking for any bearishness till then. It is above 25,000 itself. So we are the upper side levels are already open up, so which is making somewhere at the Nifty is again for the ATH it's ready. So maybe by like October we will be going to see a new ATH which will be possible in Nifty and Bank Nifty and Sensex as well. So holding your position, and you can make a short time for stocks as well for the investment. So this is the best time to go for an investment. I will be like I have suggested to you since very long, when it's somewhere at a 24,000 itself. So if you have made a like investment at that particular time, so you must be in a good profit, and you will be going to capture the full movement and full swing, which we always used to take a beautiful upside. So trail your positions and make a sense at here that wherever this trend line is going to be distorted, I will intimate you through my shorts and all. But till then it is above the trend line, above the supports, so don't no need to be go on the like against the trend. So against the trend we will be going to choose only scalps 10-15 points, not more than that. But with the trend you need to be with synchronize with the more and more targets, so you will be going to make the profits at the very next level. So go with the supports and go with the buy on dip only at these supports, so you will be going to definitely make a profit at these particular supports. So have a good day guys, and this is a particular support, so I am looking for the upside 25,150 next level, and 200 and 250 so on. So trail your stop loss only. This is the totally mantra, and buy on dip only, so you will be come up with a profit only. And if you are watching my video till here, so you're very special. I just have seen people watching my videos and making profits, but they are not commenting, and they are not like letting me know, and they forget to like, share, subscribe. So do the like, share, subscribe, so that I can reach more of you and give you a perfect analysis according to my own levels and own analysis, so you make profitable, and you will be going to make profit on a easy basis. And at the same time you have to check the premiums as well, where premiums is appreciating like anything. So you will be going to come to know, observe this sense that it is bullish market. So bullish market always used to do and give a premium appreciation slowly and steadily. So you need to just make patience. If since last 2 days you have a patience for this consolidation, so definitely you will be ready to grab this upside and make a profitable and day today itself. So this is a weekend, so I think weekend will be going on a positive note, and Nifty and market is going to be ending up with a like positive closing. This is the best day. We are going to capture this really slowly and steadily like Kachua race, and we are going to trail our profits. So all the best guys, keep investing, keep trading, have a happy trading ahead. This is Ankita Agnati signing off. Love you all. Bye bye, take care.